Hello and welcome. My name is Alec, and in this beginner-friendly video, I will show you how to buy your first domain name at Namecheap. I've been using Namecheap for more than 14 years. Besides buying my first domain name at GoDaddy.com, I switched to Namecheap and never looked back. It is user-friendly, the customer service is excellent, and it is rated 4.7 out of 5 by more than 2 million customers at shopperapproved.com. Another great thing is that you will buy your first .com domain name for only $6. In order to buy it, you need to open a free Namecheap account. To do that, click on Sign Up. When the new page opens, fill in your username, password, first and last name, and email address. Leave this option checked at the bottom because Namecheap offers huge discounts on its services such as web hosting, VPN, marketing and security tools almost every 2 to 3 months, so you can save money if you decide to get one. That said, click on Create Account and Continue. I will not click on this button because I already have my Namecheap account. What will happen next is that you will receive an email from Namecheap to confirm your email address. After you do that, you will find yourself inside your Namecheap dashboard. The time has come to show you how to buy your first domain name. If you are entirely new to domain names, watch my beginner-friendly introduction video on what a domain name is. If you have decided on the domain name you want to buy, go to Domains and click on Domain Name Search. For demonstration purposes, I will enter alectest.com and click on Search. As you can see, alectest.com is available. I am already a Namecheap customer and the price for this domain name will be $10.28. Because you just opened your Namecheap account and are buying a domain name for the first time, your price will be $5.98. To continue, click on Add to Cart. A new page will open where you will see additional options you can buy. I suggest you skip all of this as you don't need any of them right now. Click on Checkout to proceed with your order. On this page, there are 3 things I want to talk more about. The first one is to check the domain name you are buying. If you misspell it and click on the order confirmation link, you cannot change it later. All you can do is buy another well-spelled domain name. So, here is your chance to check it once more. The second is to choose the duration of how many years you would like to buy this domain name. You can choose from 1 year to up to 10. If you select, for example, 5 years, this domain name will be yours for the next 5 years. At the same time, the subtotal price will change on the right. I suggest that you select 1 year and turn on the auto-renew option. By doing this, you are allowing Namecheap to automatically charge you for the price of the domain name 1 year from now. Don't worry, Namecheap will send you emails regarding your renewal 2 months before the expiration day, so you can renew it or cancel your next payment. The third and last great thing is that the domain privacy option will be added by default and it's free forever, as long as you are paying for this domain name. It will hide your information in the public WHOIS database, keep your data safe, and help to avoid spam. So, check your domain name and duration, turn on the auto-renew and domain privacy option, and click Confirm Order. As this is just a demonstration, I will not click on this button. A new page will open and you need to do anything. Just wait for the buying process to finish in a few seconds. When it does, you will get an email message from Namecheap that looks like this. At the bottom of that message, you will see your domain name, quantity, duration, price, and free domain privacy. And that's how easy it is to buy a domain name at namecheap.com. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end. If you found this video helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. By subscribing, you also make it easier for others who want to learn how to buy their first domain name at Namecheap to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your comment below this video. Remember, there are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.